Hope you all are like a healthy, blessed, and happy. How are you all? I hope all are doing great. And welcome back to our channel English Hub by Lakshmi. Hi, Sain. How are you?
Hi ma'am, I'm fine. Thank you. How are you doing?
Yeah, I am also doing great, Sayan. Thank you for asking. And today our topic is, like an amazing topic and like a healthy topic, family,
Yeah.
and that too, like a nuclear family versus joint family.
Okay. It's really
Yeah, today
amazing.
is this one, and why I selected this topic means, like nowadays, just almost all people are like selecting nuclear family. They are
Mm.
saying nuclear families, like compared to joint families because
Yeah.
of schedules, busy schedules, some jobs and some other like
Mm.
extra, like things. There is a reason today,
Mm.
like we selected this topic, like a family, like a nuclear family versus joint family. Yeah,
Joint
please,
family. Okay.
could you please explain this about this one?
Yeah. Ma'am, actually, you know what? I think that, if we will compare these two things, then I think, according to my perspective, I think that, joint family is much more amazing, is much more beneficial as compared to as the nuclear family. I will give you one example. Like, see, when we stay in a joint family or when we visit a joint family, we can see, a bonding, a very sweet and a very lovely bonding we can see, or the collaboration, or one and a sweet interaction. A sweet interaction between the family members is very amazing. And if one of the family members will face any such problem, fine, then his or her entire family will rush to that very person and will try to help him or her to get rid of from that very problem. So this is one of the most major thing, that the advantages of a joint family. But as compared to this, if you will go to a nuclear family, what, there will be no such bonding. Yeah, bonding is there, but what, not as like as the joint family. So what, a nuclear family consists of 3 to 4 members, so all are busy with their own work, this and that, what, and after completion of their work, they they will not be having that much of free schedule to ask that how are you, this and that, or there will be no such coordination, no such interaction with each other. Only they will get only few hours to have some conversation with each other. Fine. So I think that a joint family is much more beneficial and much more effective as compared to as a nuclear family.
Like a
Okay,
family,
sure.
meaning of family is just parents, like a father, mother, and children living together, like a giant family and like a nuclear family. Most of the
Yeah.
people nowadays, because all of like their busy schedules, like a job purpose, they are going outside. Like any place, they are going other countries or like other like cities or like other towns or like, any place. No, because of
Mm.
the like jobs, they have to left their parents like at a like native place. One of the reason is that one, like why people are like staying, like nuclear families are there, why they are formed like nuclear families means one of the reason is main reason is jobs.
Yeah.
Yeah, like we have to live like our livelihood, we have to start our livelihood and we have to earn money, some money for livelihood. For our livelihood, we have to go outside, we have to earn money. One of the reason is that like no, we are forming like nuclear families and we are staying nuclear, like a parent, mother and father, like children. Main reason is that jobs. Whatever, like no, joint families are like a different. In ancient time, joint families, they are living, like that bonding is different, totally different. Now like in at that time, like there is no job purpose, we didn't go outside, people didn't go outside, and like no need to like earn, like there is no education, like no development also. But nowadays, like all people are educating, and because of that we have to go outside and we have to earn money. In ancient time, like people, most of the time, like farmers are there. Most of the time I watched and I observed joint families means, joint farmer families who are doing field work, like other business, like own business. They will live in a joint family. What do you think about that? Well, like first of all, what do you think, joint families?
Ma'am, according to my perspective, like joint family means people will stay together. Like what? Like I'm having a joint family. In my family, my father, my two uncles are there. Then their children are there. So and what? I have my one sister-in-law. You know what? So we all are staying together. We are staying together, and you know what? There is a great time that we can spend with our family members, and like whenever any such occasion is coming now, because you know what? Uh, uh, as if I'm a Bengali person, so Durga Puja. So Durga Puja is one of the most famous in Bengali culture. So day after that, tomorrow we are having Durga Puja, and we are going to celebrate this Durga Puja with all our family members. Fine. Now the thing is that as if we are having a joint family, so we can share our enjoyment, we can share our entertainment with our family members. Fine. Now, like what, one of my sister, she will arrive at Agartala a day after tomorrow, that is on Mondays. Fine. So that is the main thing, that what, if you are having a joint family, then how far you are having your own work. Fine, you will get any such free schedule, any such free time to to get indulged in your family, or to have some interaction with each other. Fine. But if you will be in a in a nuclear family, then you know what, obviously you are in a profession, and after coming back from your profession, obviously there will be no such enjoyment, because only you and your parents are there, and your wife, your children are there. So that enjoyment will be missing. So according to my perspective, I think that, and you know what, you can't, even because the more person you will get around you, the more there will be one enjoyment, and there will be one more happiness, and you will be able to share your happiness, to share your feelings, to share your emotion with every person. Fine. Now, instead of that, if you are having only a nuclear family, so you are having the same enjoyment in you, but you will not be able to share it with as many people as you can, because that is one limitation of your family members. But if you will switch for a joint family, there will be no such limitation for any there will be just to spread your enjoyment. Obviously your enjoyment will get increase, and everything will be completely amazing. That is the main thing.
No, like a Sayan, one of the reason is just like we lost our trust on other person also. That is a like a dividing family, like a staying like a nuclear family is one of the reason is that one. Like we lost
And
trust. People have
yeah,
become like a selfish people.
and you know what, one another reason is there. Suppose now in your area there is one quarrel between you and with any other person. Fine. So if you will be in a joint family, obviously when your family will see that yeah, you are in a trouble, or you are doing any such argument or debate or any quarrel, or with any other person of your locality, then your family member will rush to you, and will try to sort out the entire issue, or will try to help you to get rid of from that very problem. But if you will stay in a nuclear family, then there will be a very less possibility that your family members will come to rescue you from that part, this and that. So, from according to my perspective, joint family is much more beneficial as compared to as this nuclear family. And you know what, enjoyment in any day is much more in joint family as compared to as nuclear family.
Exactly, exactly. Like grandfather, grandmother, if like
Hmm.
people are staying at like nuclear family, they lost a lot of things. Like they don't know how to do, like how to follow traditionals, like cultures and everything. Even clothes also they don't know. Like they are just following Western culture. But for
Yeah,
instance, grandmother and grandpa, like father is there, they will give some suggestions. They will give some like a guidance to us how to like
yeah,
stay happily, how to like live just a like interaction with others, just everything they will
yeah.
guidance to us. Because of that, like some nuclear families just following their just like a mechanical life, luxurious life, just mechanical life, like artificial. It's not an artificial life, like it's an artificial life. Like joint families,
Yeah,
they are like natural life, and like whoever is living, particularly like in villages, definitely they have that like that bonding, and that like relationship is that relationship never breaks, I think. Like cities, okay, just whatever I said to you, just coming up, like parents are, they both are like went to office, just children went to go school, just coming, like in the evening, they will just spend like mobile phones, using mobile phones, just laptop or ipad, whatever it may be. But there is no interaction, there is no like a time space in between, like both parents and
that is the
children.
main thing. Yeah, that is the
Yeah,
main thing that like, and you know what, one most important thing is that, like, if you are having only your parents with you, fine, then
yeah,
what, many such things are there that what, we can't even share with our parents, but we can share with our sister-in-law or with our brother, fine. So obviously now, because what, if you see, we respect our parents, and what, we are afraid of our parents, fine. So what, that's reason, whenever many such things are there in your life that you can't even share it with your parents also, then you need any other person like your cousin or your sister-in-law with whom you can share your thoughts, you can share your emotion easily. That is the main thing. And you know what, like, see, like, as if I told that I'm from a joint family, so what, whenever I used to feel bored, you know uh, I go to my to my cousin's room, then I play with my niece, my sister-in-law, she is there, I talk with her. You know what, it feels so great. That vibe is very much important, fine. But if I would have stayed in a nuclear family, then I was having a boundary that I will have to be there. Fine. There is no other person with whom I can do the interaction. There is no other person with whom I can do the conversation as well. So that is the main thing, that what, if you are nurtured from a joint family, is much more beneficial as compared to as a nuclear family.
exactly, exactly. I think that golden days, whoever is living in like a giant family, those are like no, they got like opportunity, golden opportunity. Like nuclear families are important, but like at the same time, joint family is also important. Like whatever
Also
I said to you,
important.
they are leading like mechanical life, or like
Yeah.
artificial life. Yeah, but like whoever is living giant family, they know like a better experience. They will get a better experience compared to like a nuclear family. Like nowadays, children, they don't know what like we have to follow, like no traditional, like Dasra festival is there. Every traditional
Yeah.
like a culture, they don't know what to do and what not to do. But whoever is giant, or like living in giant family, just like our grandparents and grandmother, like parents will tell what is wrong and what is right. Just
Sure.
we come simply blindly, or like we will follow to the like our grandparents. That is the reason, main important, like most of the time, and main important is that one, like a giant family will give our like no cultures, traditions and values, and like no morals, ethics, everything. But nuclear family, whereas like whatever I said to you, like parents are doing job, and they are also tired, and like children also tired, or like going to like office and going to school, they
Yeah.
are also busy
Yeah.
with
Right.
their works, but there is no time for spending like with each other.
Exactly.
That's the
Exactly.
we lost
Yeah.
something unknowingly, lost everything. But somewhat only we are busy, or like nowadays, like Facebook, Instagram, like social medias, or whatever social medias, like everyone will, they have some like own mobile.
Mm.
Because of that, they lost their like bonding also, like love and sharing, they are not sharing everything.
Ah,
This is the
I
main problem
understand.
of family. Like if giant family is there, maybe something like their parents are busy, they will share, like children will share something with their grandparents. That
Obviously.
is the reason,
That's right.
like we are all Indians, and we are all like one family, and like follow that, like come just to maintain the giant family. and we like keep loving and like keep sharing everything, and we have to like give all the best nation,
Yeah,
best to our country also. This is like my intention like about like nuclear family versus joint family. I hope like no, yeah, thanks a bunch, Sayan, and to be part of in my YouTube channel again and again. Like
thank you, ma'am.
no, what like please give me your message to like no our viewers, what you like suggest the things.
Definitely, I will. Definitely, ma'am. Thank you.
No, this is the reason like no maintain that like joint family and try to keep sharing like love, and like that bonding is important, and like you all like that is also important nowadays. Why decreasing like that bonding and self respect, like that trust and everything. Please trust to like no at least or like share with our family members whatever like not. We have to give that freedom to children. Like no, children are not sharing everything to our parents. Why?
Yeah,
Because of they are also busy with our like mobile phones, like electronic gadgets. They are also busy with their electronic gadgets. That is the reason they are not sharing everything to us with us. Please share, and like no, we have to give support to that like no everything to our children.
and
We have to
yeah,
freedom. Yeah.
and you know what, man? And you know what? In this video, I would like to give a message to everyone that see, many such people are there. They live in a joint family, and many such people are there. They live in a nuclear family. Fine. So my message is for all that. Yeah, obviously, you know what? Everything has a merit and a demerit. Fine. So if you are staying in a nuclear family, obviously you don't have any, your cousins, your sister-in-law, or your nephew, niece, whatever it is there. So just try to spend your time with your own family members, like with your parents. Fine. Share your thoughts, share your feelings with your family members. And if you are having a joint family, then it's fine. But whoever is not having a joint family, just try to make your nuclear family a sort of your joint family. Fine. That is
Exactly.
the main thing. Because you know what, just try to figure out that what are the basic difference between a nuclear family and a joint family. And now see, now if a person born and brought up from a nuclear family, he can flip to a joint family. Fine. But if he can, to some extent, he will be able, to make his surroundings like a joint family. Like, doing an interaction with his parents or with his family members, or sharing his or her thoughts with her parents, with her family members. To some extent, if we can try, then we can, we can pretend to be as a, like, yeah, maybe we are in a nuclear family, but we are pretending that we are in a joint family. That is the moral lesson of this video.
Exactly.
That's it.
Overall, like spending time with our family was most important thing. That is the most
Yeah,
important thing for everyone, and that too, like every problem has a solution. We have to find out,
yeah,
share with our family members, and solve it, and live happily forever. That is the main
that's
important thing for in everyone's life.
right.
Yeah, I hope you love this like a conversation, and please like let me know your like opinion on this topic. Like a nuclear family versus giant family, and I'll please like drop the message like a description box. Yeah, okay, comment box, and thanks a bunch, Sayan, again and again to be
Thank
a
you,
part of
ma'am.
in my
Thank
YouTube.
you.
Thanks for watching,
Thank you.
everyone. Like, don't forget, please like, share, and do subscribe for getting motivation from you all, and love you all. And don't forget to hit the like bell button for amazing content. Yeah, thank you, thank you. Bye for now,
Thank you, ma'am.
Sayan. Yeah, bye for now,
Bye, ma'am.
all you. Yeah,
Bye.
bye.